In this video, you will learn how to place text and image side by side in Microsoft Word. Currently, you can see here I have placed this image and text side by side in Microsoft Word. In addition, you will also learn how to move both these pictures as well as text simultaneously. For example, I will click here and I will move both image as well as text. So let's start this video. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. Firstly, open any Microsoft Word document. Currently, you can see here I have opened a Microsoft Word document. After doing that, go to Insert option, and under Insert option, you will find the option of Table. Click here. From here, select your boxes according to your requirement. I will select two boxes, 2 by 1. Now you can see here we have successfully inserted table here. Now I will insert picture here. Before that, I will save the picture. I will go to Google and I will select image. I will save this image. Click here, right click on it and save as picture. Save image as. I will save it on desktop. So I will choose desktop. Click on save. Now open your Word document. Click on first box. After that, go to Insert option. Here you will find the option of Pictures. Select this one. Under Picture option, you will find the option of this device. Select this one. Now select the picture that was recently saved. I will select Desktop and I will select that picture. This one. After selecting your desired picture, click on Insert. Now you can see here picture is inserted here, but its size is not according to our requirement. So firstly we will resize it. Select your picture. Place your cursor on this corner, on this handle. When two arrow sign appeared here, you can move it in this direction to resize it. Now I will again resize it. Now click on this second box and copy and paste your text here. I will again go to this Google option and I will copy text from here. And I will paste this text in Microsoft Word document. Open your Microsoft Word document, click on second box and paste it here. Now, if you are interested to resize these boxes, you can also do that. Place your cursor on this line, that is the middle line, and drag it in this direction. Now I will select this text. I will justify it and you can resize it and you can even change the color and I will change the line spacing. Now our last task is to remove these borders. Click here and you will find the option of 4 arrow sign here. Click on it. While placing your cursor on it, right click. Here you will find the option of table properties. Select this one. There is the option of borders and shading. Select this one. From here choose none. Click on OK. Again click on this OK. Click anywhere on this file. Now you can see here border is removed. Now you will learn how you can move both image and text. For example, in this case, if I move this one, only image will be moved. So how we can address this issue? Go to Insert option and here is the option of text box. Select this one. From here select draw text box. I will draw a text box here. After that, again click here. When 4 arrow sign appeared here, again click here, right click and copy this one. Now I will simply paste this one in text box. Click here, right click and paste this one. Now you can select this text box area so that it covers both picture as well as text. I will again click on this text and I will place my cursor on this line. Now I can move it in any direction. Now last task is to remove the border of this text box. Select this one, go to shape format option, and here is the option of shape outline. Select this one. From here choose no outline. Now you can see a border of this text box is removed. In last part of video you will learn how to save this image as well as text in the form of picture. I will click here. After that, here you will find the option of 4 arrow sign. Click on it. Now you can see here both picture as well as text is selected. After that, place your cursor on this 4 arrow sign and right click. Here you will find the option of copy. Copy this one and paste it on any location. For example, I want to paste it here. I will double click here, right click. Here you will find multiple option of paste. From here choose a paste as picture. Here is the option of picture. So I will paste this as a picture. Select this one. Now you can see here we have successfully pasted image as well as text in the form of picture. In addition, you can also insert picture in text. I will select this one, copy this one, open your Word document, select the text where you are interested to paste this one. I want to insert it here. Select this one, right click and paste this one. After that, I will resize it. Now here is the option of picture format. After selecting this picture, this option will be appeared here. From here, go to wrap text and select square. Now you can see here you have successfully inserted text and image side by side. So by following this video, you can easily insert text and image side by side in Microsoft Word. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.